In this video, I will show you step by step how to log in CVS Workday. So friends, all you have to do, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for this keyword CVS Workday. After tap this keyword, you can click this first keyword or just this one. You will see this page, scroll down till this option, sign in, click on sign in. You will redirect it to sign in page. This is a CVS Workday. From here, you have two options. You have username and password. So all you have to do, write your username and write your password, and then click on sign in. So click on sign in. If you go directly to official website here, just choose this one, for example. You will redirect it to this page, and then you can log in. Click on sign in. You will see login page from here. So basically, this is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more.